Stockholm in autumn is pure magic. The air is crisp and cool. The leaves are turning brilliant shades of gold and red. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets, the scent of cinnamon buns in the air. Picture yourself sipping coffee by the waterfront, watching the leaves fall. Come along with me on a perfect autumn day in Stockholm. We'll explore the historic Gamla Stan. We'll wander through charming parks and gardens. Are you ready to fall in love? Our perfect autumn day in Stockholm begins with a traditional Swedish fika. Imagine stepping into a cozy café. The aroma of freshly baked cinnamon buns filling the air. We'll settle into a table by the window, a perfect vantage point to watch the city awaken. As we sip our steaming cups of coffee, we'll savor the sweet taste of a traditional Swedish pastry. It's the perfect way to start our Stockholm adventure. Our fika complete, we're ready to explore. We begin our journey in Gamla Stan, Stockholm's enchanting old town. Imagine narrow alleyways lined with colourful buildings, their facades adorned with intricate details. Every corner we turn reveals a new treasure. Quaint shops, hidden courtyards and historic landmarks. The autumn leaves add a touch of magic, painting the streets in hues of gold and crimson. We're captivated by the charm of Gamla Stan. Our exploration of Gamla Stan leads us to Nytorget Square, the heart of the old town. Imagine colourful buildings from the 17th and 18th centuries, each with its own story to tell. The ABBA Museum stands proudly, a reminder of Sweden's contributions to science and literature. This is where Stockholm was founded in 1252. Nytorget Square is a testament to Stockholm's rich past. We continue our journey through Gamla Stan, making our way to the Royal Palace. This magnificent structure dominates the skyline, a symbol of Sweden's royal heritage. We watch in awe as they perform the changing of the guard ceremony, a display of precision and pageantry. Inside, the palace awaits with its opulent interiors, a glimpse into the lives of Swedish royalty. The Royal Palace is a testament to Stockholm's regal history. After the captivating changing of the guard, it's time to step inside the Royal Palace. This isn't just any palace, it's one of the largest in Europe, a sprawling testament to Swedish history and grandeur. Imagine grand halls adorned with intricate tapestries, sparkling chandeliers casting a warm glow on the polished marble floors. We wander through the royal apartments, each room a glimpse into the lives of Swedish monarchs. The treasury beckons with its dazzling display of crown jewels, a collection that speaks of power and prestige. Finally, we stand in the Hall of State, imagining grand banquets and important ceremonies held beneath its soaring ceilings. Leaving the grandeur of the Royal Palace behind, we're ready for a change of scenery. A short walk brings us to Skeppsbron, Stockholm's historic waterfront promenade. Imagine the shimmering expanse of the Baltic Sea, its surface reflecting the clear autumn sky. Sleek sailboats and sturdy ferries glide across the water, leaving trails of white foam in their wake. Lining the waterfront, rows of colourful buildings stand tall and proud, their facades a testament to Stockholm's rich maritime history. Cafes and restaurants spill out onto the promenade, their tables inviting us to linger over coffee and soak up the views. We stroll along Skeppsbron, our steps leisurely as we take in the beauty of our surroundings. The autumn sun casts a warm glow on the scene, highlighting the vibrant hues of the buildings and the changing colours of the leaves in the nearby parks. The atmosphere is one of tranquility and charm, a world away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As we walk, we notice the intricate details of the buildings lining the promenade. Ornate carvings adorn their facades, each telling a silent story of the city's past. We pause often, snapping photos to capture the beauty of the scene. A gentle breeze carries with it the scent of salt air and autumn leaves, a sensory experience that embodies the essence of Stockholm in the fall. Our Stockholm adventure continues as we hop on a ferry, the crisp autumn air whipping gently against our faces. Our destination, Djurgården, a tranquil island oasis beckoning us with promises of natural beauty and culinary delights. Our lunch destination is Oaken Slip, a renowned restaurant nestled on Djurgården's shores. Stepping inside, we're greeted by the warmth of wooden interiors, the air filled with the tantalizing aromas of traditional Swedish cuisine. The restaurant's rustic charm, combined with its reputation for culinary excellence, promises an unforgettable dining experience. We settle into our table, eager to delve into the flavors of Sweden. The menu, featuring seasonal ingredients and innovative twists on classic dishes, is a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage. Our appetites sated with delicious Swedish fare, we're ready to explore the enchanting island of Djurgården. Stepping out of Oaxen Slip, we're greeted by a symphony of autumn colours. The island's pathways, winding through forests and parks, beckon us to lose ourselves in their tranquil embrace. Imagine strolling beneath a canopy of trees, their leaves transformed into a kaleidoscope of reds, oranges and yellows. Sunlight filters through the branches, casting dancing shadows on the path ahead. The air is crisp and invigorating, carrying with it the scent of fallen leaves and damp earth. Families stroll hand in hand, children chasing fallen leaves with joyful abandon. Our exploration of Djurgården leads us to Rosendal's Trädgård, a garden oasis renowned for its beauty in every season. As we enter the garden gates, a sense of tranquility washes over us. Imagine rows of vibrant dahlias, their petals a riot of pinks, purples and yellows. Apple trees laden with ripe fruit line the paths, their branches heavy with the bounty of autumn. The garden's meticulously maintained flower beds are a testament to the dedication of its caretakers, a symphony of colour and texture that delights the senses. Families picnic on the lawns, their laughter blending with the gentle hum of bees buzzing amongst the flowers. A sense of peace and contentment permeates the air, a reminder to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. Our afternoon in Djurgården offers a delightful dilemma, a choice between delving into Sweden's rich history or celebrating its vibrant pop culture. For history buffs, a visit to the Vasa Museum is a must. This impressive museum houses the remarkably preserved Vasa warship, a 17th century vessel that capsized on its maiden voyage. Imagine standing beneath the hull of this massive ship, its intricate carvings and towering masts a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era. The museum tells the story of the Vasa's ill-fated voyage, from its ambitious construction to its tragic sinking and eventual salvage. For those seeking a livelier experience, the ABBA Museum awaits. This interactive museum celebrates the iconic Swedish pop group, their music and their enduring legacy. As our afternoon in Djurgården draws to a close, we board the ferry once more, our sights set on a different side of Stockholm. The ferry ride itself is a treat, offering panoramic views of the city's skyline as the sun begins its descent towards the horizon. Our destination is Södermalm, an island district known for its bohemian spirit, trendy boutiques, and vibrant art scene. As we disembark and set foot on Södermalm, a palpable shift in atmosphere envelops us. Södermalm is a place where creativity thrives, a melting pot of artists, musicians and free spirits, all drawn to the island's unique charm. We stroll along cobblestone streets, our eyes drawn to the eclectic mix of architecture that lines the way. The air hums with the sounds of life, the laughter of friends sharing a drink at a sidewalk cafe, the strumming of a guitar from a nearby busker, the distant rumble of a tram making its way through the heart of the district. Our exploration of Södermalm leads us to Götgatan, the island's main artery, and a vibrant tapestry of urban life. This bustling street is a microcosm of Södermalm's eclectic spirit, a place where vintage clothing stores sit alongside independent bookstores and trendy coffee shops share sidewalk space with traditional Swedish bakeries. As we navigate the bustling crowds, the energy of Götgatan washes over us. Street vendors hawk their wares, their voices competing with the pulsating rhythms emanating from record stores. Fashion-forward locals browse the racks of designer boutiques, their sense of style a reflection of Södermalm's trend-setting reputation. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the sweet scent of cinnamon buns, creating a sensory experience that is uniquely With the sun beginning its final descent, we make our way to Monteliusvägen, a cliffside pathway renowned for its breathtaking views of Stockholm. As we ascend the steps leading to the pathway, anticipation builds with each step. Emerging onto the pathway, we're greeted by a panorama that steals our breath away. The cityscape stretches out before us, a mesmerizing tapestry of islands, waterways, and architectural wonders. To the west, the sun dips towards the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, a breathtaking spectacle that transforms the city into a work of art. Below us, the waters of Lake Mälaren shimmer and sparkle, reflecting the colors of the sky like 1,000 tiny mirrors. Boats glide across the water, their silhouettes stark against the fiery backdrop. As twilight descends upon Stockholm, casting long shadows across the city, our thoughts turn to dinner. Our stomachs are rumbling, our senses craving the warmth and comfort of a hearty meal after a day spent exploring. Our destination is Nytorget 6, a beloved neighborhood restaurant nestled on a charming square in the heart of Södermalm. As we approach the restaurant, the warm glow emanating from its windows beckons us inside, promising a cozy respite from the crisp autumn air. The sounds of laughter and conversation spill out onto the street, hinting at the convivial atmosphere that awaits within. Stepping inside, we're greeted by the inviting aroma of herbs and spices, a symphony of scents that awakens our taste buds. The restaurant's interior is a study in understated elegance, with exposed brick walls, wooden floors, and soft lighting that creates an intimate ambiance. With our appetites sated by the delicious meal at Nytorget 6, we decide to embrace the magic of Stockholm by night. The city, aglow with 1,000 twinkling lights, takes on an entirely different persona after dark, its beauty amplified by the interplay of light and shadow. Our nighttime stroll takes us along Stockholm's waterfront, where the city's lights dance and shimmer on the surface of the water. We pause on a bridge, mesmerized by the reflections of buildings, bridges, and boats, their colors intensified by the darkness that surrounds them. The air is alive with a sense of tranquility, a stark contrast to the daytime bustle. As we stroll along the waterfront, the iconic silhouette of Stadshuset, Stockholm's City Hall, comes into view. Its illuminated tower, a beacon of grandeur, dominates the skyline, its reflection stretching across the water like a golden ribbon. Gamla Stan by night, where magic and history converge. Our nighttime exploration leads us back to Gamla Stan, where the magic of Stockholm's history is amplified by the cloak of night. As we step onto the cobblestone streets of the old town, we're transported back in time, surrounded by buildings that have borne witness to centuries of human drama, romance, and intrigue. The narrow alleyways, once bustling with merchants and traders, are now bathed in the soft glow of streetlights, casting long shadows that dance and flicker with every passing breeze. The silence is broken only by the sound of our own footsteps and the distant murmur of voices from a nearby pub, where locals gather to share stories and laughter. We wander aimlessly through the labyrinthine streets, our imaginations running wild as we envision the lives that have unfolded within these ancient walls. We pause in a small square, drawn in by the sight of a lone street musician, his melancholic melody echoing through the night, a poignant reminder of the passage of time and the enduring power of music. A perfect day in an autumnal fairy tale. As the last of the day's light fades, leaving a trail of stars in its wake, we find ourselves reflecting on our journey through Stockholm. What began with the cozy warmth of a traditional Swedish Fika has unfolded into a tapestry of experiences, each more enchanting than the last. From the grand history whispered within the walls of the royal palace to the tranquil beauty of Djurgården's autumnal landscapes, Stockholm has revealed itself to be a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern vibrancy. We've wandered through cobblestone streets lined with colourful buildings, their facades reflecting centuries of stories. We've tasted the flavours of Sweden, from hearty traditional dishes to delicate pastries, each bite a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage. And we've witnessed the city transform under the spell of sunset, its skyline ablaze with hues of gold, pink and purple, a spectacle that has left an indelible mark on our memories. But more than just a collection of sights and experiences, Stockholm has offered us a glimpse into a way of life. A way of life that embraces the simple pleasures, celebrates creativity, and finds beauty in every season. It's a city that invites you to slow down, to savor the moment, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. And as we bid farewell to this enchanting city, we do so with a sense of gratitude, our hearts brimming with the memories of a perfect autumn day in Stockholm.